Hey guys, it's Roscoe and on Space Couch. Today, the dwarf planet Makemake has a moon. This is the first moon that's been discovered around that dwarf planet. It's very exciting. It's discovered by the Hubble telescope, similar to the manner in which they discovered the 4 small moons of Pluto prior to New Horizons arriving there. So now that they've discovered a moon around Makemake, they'll be able to calculate the dwarf planet's mass and better understanding of its orbit and everything. Apparently, they hadn't discovered this moon previously because, as well as the fact that Makemake is so much brighter than its moon, it's like thousands of times brighter, the orbit is apparently like edge on. So essentially it would be almost like a transit, I suppose, where they couldn't see it. It's passing in front of the planet all the time. It's lost in the glare. But apparently, I think they noticed that there was an odd combination of dark and bright spots on Makemake that didn't really correspond to anything they could figure out. And I think that those dark spots were the moon that's been codenamed MK2, passing in front of its parent. Very interesting, very interesting. So, yet another moon in the solar system. How many hundreds is that now? It's a couple of hundred, I think, isn't it? And who knows how many other moons it may have, you know? I mean, it does seem that most dwarf planets have moons. I mean, the 5 recognised dwarf planets at the moment. Ceres, it doesn't have a moon that we know about, other than Dawn, of course. Pluto, with its series of moons, were explored last year. Then Eris, it's got the moon Dysnomia. Haumea has got 2 moons. I don't recall their names, but I think they're both in that Hawaiian mythology, the same as Haumea is. And now, obviously, we have Makemake. Perhaps Sedna and the others in due course will also have moons. Who knows? I do wonder how long it will take before we'll be able to explore that. Given that it would take at least 10 years to get there, it would take at least 10 years, if not a lot longer, to plan the mission prior to launch. This is probably one of those things the Starshot guys would be looking at. You know, sending out a microchip ship with a giant solar sail, that sort of thing. And I don't know how long it would take, but probably be the fastest way of getting there. Be absolutely fascinating to actually see some more of these worlds closer up, get a better understanding of the makeup of our own solar system, which, as we know, is still throwing up surprises, and we still haven't found that planet 9 if it's there, and it does seem that it must be due to its gravitational effects. Anyway guys, that was just a quick update on the fact that we now have a new moon in the solar system, which I'm very excited about, as you can tell. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this content. Leave me a comment or suggestion for an upcoming topic you'd like to see discussed, or like the video.